What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to crack open a whole bunch of Matchbox cars that I found on the peg recently. These are all Walmart finds. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Starting with this one right here. Got moving parts, Bentley Continental. We're big ballers now. We're in the Bentleys. All right, oops. This always gives me a little bit of a hard time to open. There we go. Alright, and there it is. Check it out. Nice gunmetal metallic gray with some nice multi-spoke rims. Got a tan leather interior, it looks like. And of course, these awesome opening doors. Looks like the tiniest steering wheel on the planet. But that's alright. Still looks pretty cool. And this model does have side view mirrors. Got taillight and exhaust details, license plate and emblems, and let's not forget those beautiful headlights and grille work up front. Yeah, this is a very awesome model. Very cool. All right, put that right there. Let's move this packaging aside. And now, I have two of these. I got two Jurassic Park vehicles to crack open. We got the Unimog. Very cool. There's the packaging right there, just in case you haven't seen it. Although I'm sure you have. All right, and here it is. Check out this cool Unimog. It's got side view mirrors, got a Benz logo, some pretty cool looking rims. I like that it has this cover. I wonder if it comes off. Yep, sure does. Cool. The cover comes off so you can see the extra seating back there. Looks like a fire extinguisher and some tools of some kind. That's pretty awesome. Moving parts and removable parts are very cool. All right, so let's put it right there next to the Bentley. And I got one more Jurassic Park vehicle. It looks like one I have. Like I already got this one. But this one's got some mud and a squashed roof where the T-Rex was after those kiddos. So let's go ahead and crack this one open. All right, there we go. Very cool. Even the, wow, wait, is that? Yeah, even the grill guard is all banged up. That's so cool. The lights are all bent out of shape. Windshield's all smashed and muddied. And of course, that glass roof is destroyed. That is so cool. That is really, really awesome. I love this. I'm so glad that I found out the peg. How cool. Oh, it even doesn't seem to be... It's not, huh. I wonder if that's on purpose. We'll pretend that it is. All right, now I got a bunch of main lines. Let's go ahead and get to cracking. No particular order, but check out this Porsche 918 Spyder. Might as well start with a really nice one. How cool is that? Very, very cool car. Very expensive. It's like $250,000, I think. Really badass. Has the same rims as the Bentley. Hey, it's got some side view mirrors. That's cool. Now that's the engine and the exhaust right there. Very cool. Oh, we got some taillights and the Porsche emblem looks good. Got a little mini diffuser. Headlights and emblem look amazing. This is a great car. Wish it wasn't yellow, but I can live with it. Absolutely cool. It's a great car. All right, let's see, what do we got next? What is this? Oh, a Koenigsegg. This one is the Gamera. I couldn't remember if I had this one or not, so I figured I would err on the side of caution and go ahead and buy it. Because even if I already have it, hey, I can use one for like the racetracks or something. Or I can give it to my little nephew or whatever. But anyway, here it is. Also gunmetal gray. I wonder if it's the same as this one. Looks pretty close, doesn't it? Yeah, this one's got yellow interior, or at least it looks like it. Maybe the windows are tinted yellow. No, they look clear to me. Very interesting. More taillights. Another diffuser. Love those 5-spoke rims. Very nice. Yeah, and more great headlight details. Matchbox really kills it with their headlight details. Love that. Awesome car. Let's see, what else do we have here? Ah, another Bentley. This time it's the Bentayga? Yeah, Bentayga. Yeah, we'll go with that. Whatever. All right, and here it is. More side view mirrors, because Matchbox is great and they love me. More taillights, more exhaust. Dark windows rolled up. Really nice details up front. There might not be any interior at all, because it's not see-through at all. It's completely black windows, which is kind of cool. More of the same rims. Very cool. Very nice. Let's see, let's keep it moving. What's this here? Oh, we got another CTSV. I've got a red one of these, but of course I had to grab the black one too. This one has a little bit of extra plastic protection for whatever reason. Aha, and there it is. More side view mirrors. I mean, it's just, Matchbox just kills it with the side view mirrors. I mean, that's just, it is what it is. They're just better with the tails. And honestly, I mean, like, as of this video, you can mark my words, I almost like Matchbox better because of their realistic paint jobs and headlights and taillights and emblems and side view mirrors. Matchbox is just great. Look how beautiful that is. Blackwing, sick. Very badass. Very cool name too. All right, let's see, what else do we got here? Okay, it looks like these last three are all Japanese. Starting with this Nissan Hardbody. Cool name for a truck. A very cool name for a truck. Nissan Hardbody. All right, and there it is. Cycle runner. Side view mirrors. Spare tire and chains. Very appropriate wheels. Headlights are not painted, but it looks like the grille and headlights and base are all one piece, including the hitch. Which I can live with, because this thing is pretty cool. Very nice looking truck. Another Matchbox hit. All right, let's see, running out of room here. Two more. Here we go. We got us Mr. 2, MR2, 1985 from Toyota. Again, I think I have a red one of these, I think. All right, here we go. Got some nice rims there. Looks like there's 6-spoke, metal wing. Lensed headlights and Toyota emblem look amazing. Don't even have to mention it, but there they are. Oh, those taillights and everything on the back looks amazing. Yeah, I mean, I'm leaning toward Matchbox these days. I mean, look how perfect this is. Very nice. Rolled down windows, black interior, black plastic bumpers. Awesome. Love it. All right, last one for this video. It's probably gonna be everyone's favorite. Could not believe I found it on the peg for $1. Toyota 4Runner. So awesome. Yeah, I stopped watching preview videos of what's coming out because I like to be surprised. So you can imagine how surprised I was to find this. I mean, the Hot Wheels version of this goes for like 30, 40 bucks. And I got this Matchbox one for $1. Might even be the same casting, or at least really similar. Beautiful. Now this is a little work of art for sure. Lovely interior, all in gray, side view mirrors, headlight details, and fog lights. Very appropriate wheels, and just overall perfect proportions. Looks just like the real thing. Very nice. All right, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for chilling with me on this Saturday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I will catch you dudes next time. All right, my dude, just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of my next video. We're gonna check out this awesome Jada 124 scale Toyota FJ Cruiser. Very, very awesome. All right, later dudes, catch you next time.